Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and we're in our $355,000 house flip again, one we bought for $355,000 and are hopefully going to sell for over $500,000. I keep saying that over and over again, so that should make it happen, right? This is the master bathroom. So Nikki and Jared, our contractor, are talking about the kitchen right now, which I talked about a couple days ago in a video, so you can check that out. I'll link to it below. And this is the master bath, which if I'm smart and remember it, I'll crop in a picture or just a short video before of what it looked like. There's a giant big green tub right there. Obviously it's gone. The toilet was right here. You can see the drain for it. There's a big vanity across the back there. And then here was a little shower. And then here is a door into the closet. And it had some really junky, bad shelves in there, so we took those out. No longer have those shelves. We're just going to leave it open. We'll put some better rods, smaller shelves in here. So we're trying to struggle on the bathroom of how do we fit a big shower tub, sink, all of that stuff in here. And I think I came up with a plan, and I am taking credit for it. So first off, what we're doing is we're going to close in this door. We figure we don't need that door. There's going to be another entrance into the closet from there, so we'll close that off. We're going to put the big giant shower right here. So it will start maybe kind of right where those water lines are, maybe a little bit to the right, and come all the way across to the edge of that window indentation shelf thing. And then we'll have the door kind of right here on this side. We'll leave the shelf there, tile everything, so you'll have a nice shelf, place to sit in the shower. Obviously, we'll have to do some plumbing work, bring in, I'm not sure how many, we'll do some heads, all that good stuff. So we'll have that there. Right here, we're going to build the water closet, or where the toilet goes. A little room for the toilet, coming out this way with the door kind of angling this direction once you get past the shower. The only issue, we have this window here, and we'll just kind of cover that up on the side with the toilet. So from the outside, you won't be able to tell. It's a block glass. From the inside, we'll put a piece of trim up, so you'll still have this little window. You'll just only know it's kind of weird if you go outside and see a big window and come in here and see half that size. But that's what we're going to do. Now, next to that water closet toilet area, we're going to have a vanity. So this will be like a 3-foot vanity or so, in that range. And that'll kind of be her vanity. And then along this wall, so I fall into the little crawl space here, since this door is covered up, we'll put the tub. So some kind of, maybe a freestanding tub, probably modern right here. Everybody always says they want a clawfoot tub, but they don't really want to use a clawfoot tub. They want to see a clawfoot tub. A lot of people who have used clawfoot tubs realize how much of a mess they can be, how much of a pain. So we've done them a few times, but clawfoot tubs are awesome to look at, not as awesome to use. So we'll put a more modern tub right there, so next to the vanity, and then back over here, like I said, we'll have your shower coming out to about that water pipe. We'll have another vanity right here, so that might be a little smaller, but still pretty close to 3 feet. So we'll have his and her vanities. Oh, look at that. I didn't know we had a little drawing of it. There you go. That's basically what it's going to look like, our new layout. So that we have the tub, we have the big, nice walk-in shower, his and her vanities, and the toilets in a closet, so it's not just sitting out right in your entry. Because where it was before, here, you could pretty much see it almost to the kitchen. So that's probably not a good thing. So that's our plan for the bathroom. The kitchen, we may have changed it again. And actually, I have to thank YouTube, because a lot of your comments and stuff gives us ideas and things to do on these houses. And we do listen to you. So if you have suggestions, things that you like us to change or do different, we do listen. I do read the comments. And we're kind of changing kind of where the pony wall is, the half wall in the kitchen. We're going to move it to the other side by the living room. So it's going to be even more open and have room for a table. And we'll talk about that in another video. But for now, that's the bathroom plan. Like I said, most of our $50,000 budget is going to be this bathroom and the kitchen because plumbing is expensive, big showers are very expensive, big tubs are expensive. Doing all the electrical, it's going to take some time and money to do this. The kitchen, the cabinets are going to be, upgraded from what we normally do. Granite counters, appliances will be much more expensive because we're putting a double oven in plus a cooktop stove. All those will add up, but it should make this a really cool house and should get us to that $500,000 range. All right, so that's what I've got for this video. Like I said, for one of our 18 flips going, have a few more selling here soon. Hopefully not more selling after that. And we'll be back with a lot more videos. So please leave us those comments. We love those, the thumbs up, subscriptions, all that good stuff.